All right, people of God, God bless you. A Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. All right, I gave you this assignment yesterday. We're going to be having something done of this nature, right? So I want us to quickly do something of this nature without wasting too much of our time. We'll go to Canva. I love to know software for graphic designs and video editing, right? We're just going to go there and then get this done. Is that clear? Let's go and get it. It may be better than this, maybe not better than this, but no two things can actually go to be the same. Now, please let me say this before you design anything. I've told you before, right? Always make sure you have all your materials set. All your materials should be in place before you go ahead, okay, to design, right? So I've gotten some of my materials ready, and I just do this, okay? So I'm going to repeat this again right before your eyes, okay? Let's go and get this done. God bless you. Let's go. All right, so we're here in Canva, right? So what we're going to do, go to custom size, and I'm using 736, my beloved pattern for most times I use this for my social media stuff, right? Okay, so having done this, you just pull this down. Okay, just pull it down. All right, we don't need this. Okay, so when you pull it down, what you do is go to your elements, and then on elements, guys, sorry, okay, go to elements, right? We'll go to elements, and then we'll search for a white gradient, okay, or texture. Look for white texture. All right, white texture, and then we're going to just grab one nice one from the graphics. Okay, so let's pick something like this time around. Okay, so this is a white texture. So just tap the three dots here. All right, and then click on what set me image as background. Okay, that is taken care of. So when that is done, what you can do now is to go look for some Christmas decoration materials. Okay, so just come to element again, and I've already gotten some of them. I don't want to waste my time, so I'm just going to go to all, and then mix of these ones that I've gotten before, right? So you can just hang it somewhere this way. All right, that would be nice there, or you can actually reduce it a bit. All right, and then you take it somewhere here. All right, somewhere's beautiful that nature, and then you can go and so I'll go to get all the materials and then come back to you. All right, just hold on. So we'll pick something of this nature, right? So we're just going to keep it somewhere like this. All right, you can duplicate and take maybe somewhere here. You can just rotate it. Yeah, you can rotate this way. All right, something like that, and then you can maybe keep somewhere like this. Okay, don't make it too obvious, right? Just make it very simple, and I'm going to go to get our Christmas the stuff, right? Christmas happy Christmas stuff, right? I already have it here, so I'll go to my upload and I'll pick it up like this. All right, and then I'll remove the background. That's the background. Make sure you're using Canva Pro. Remove the background. All right, then you position it very well. Okay, just position it. Make sure the alignment after while you are designing, okay, the alignment continue. You don't do it once, okay? You just do that, and then we're just going to look for our photos, right? I already have my photos on ground, so I'm using this. Okay, I'm going to remove the background as usual. All right, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this, right? I'll flip this because I want it to be the other way around. Just click on flip, click on horizontal flip, right? And then bring it somewhere down here. All right, bring it somewhere down here. You can go to adjust and click on auto adjust, okay, to make the picture look nice. Okay, you can do that, or you can decide to reduce the sharpness a little bit, okay, by dragging this up and down, right? Just reduce it a bit. Okay, just follow what you know how to do best. Okay, so we'll do this, and then I'm going to get the lady's photo. All right, already have that. Okay, also remove the background as well, and then I'm going to bring it down here. All right, you see that? Then I'm going to flip it also. I want to flip it so that it will look that, okay, they snap the picture together, kind of, right? Okay, something of that nature. All right, so what I'll do is I was just going to make sure, all right, this should be a bit below, all right? It shouldn't be too high. Something of that nature is okay. All right, okay, so make sure you just do what you know how to do. Okay, I think the next thing to do is to go get my greetings. Okay, how do you get your greetings? Go to your go to ChatGPT. I go to ChatGPT and get a nice greeting. Okay, you can ask ChatGPT to help you. Okay, so I got this greeting, right? So I need to quickly align this, all right? Adjust all of these stuffs. Just align them. Make sure they're well positioned. All right, make sure they're well positioned. All right, something like that. Okay, I think this is cool. Align that very well. That's not well aligned. Make sure the space should be equal. All right, the space between them should be equal. Okay, something of this nature. All right, so I've gotten this right. So what I can do now is to keep on aligning, adjust, to make sure everything is in order, right? Yeah, something like this, something of this nature. Like I told you, no two words can be the same, right? The one I did was not exactly like this, but something nice. Okay, something of this nature, guys. I think we are done for now so far. What else is remaining? I think nothing. Okay, yeah, I can just come over here and then maybe put a kind of line, a kind of nice line like this. Okay, you can place it under the names if you want to. All right, you do this and then you can change the color of that line. It's a decorative line. I can use red, make it red. Okay, something like this. So guys, I think we are done. All right, I think we are done. So this is how you design this. Guys, it's so simple to design. Very simple to design, right? Very simple. I can decide to shift this one out. The rest is just align to make sure your work is in order. And you are good to go, guys. Okay, you are good to go. Okay, you can lower the lady's photo a little bit. You can lower it a little bit if you want to, and then bring it out a bit, and all of that. Just arrange until you are done. Okay, guys, so we are good to go. So these are you actually do some greetings, Christmas greeting stuff, right? You can duplicate this if you want to. Maybe you can just decide to keep it, rotate it here. Rotate it somewhere like this, okay? And then you can decide to keep it somewhere here if you want to. Don't let it be too crowded, okay? Something simple, cool. All right, I think we are good to go. You can bring this one out a bit if you want to. Okay, you can just bring this one out a bit because Christmas bell ringing, right? Oh guys, I think we're done. Okay, so these are you actually design stuff of this nature, and then what you do, you just click this and then you download. All right, and then maybe sometimes you can decide to add a layer, right? You can say transparent layer. You can do transparent layer to make it look more advanced. You can say transparent gradient. You can say gradient or layer. Let's say gradient. Let's say gradient. All right, let's say this, and then maybe go through them and see if we can get something nice. Okay, I think we should go for layer. I think I should type layer. All right, layer. Okay, so let's search for that. Okay, I think something of this nature. All right, something like this. Okay, you can just keep it somewhere here like this, and then drag to fill up the space. If it filled, it's going to be somehow. What you can do when you keep it something like this, you can go to transparency. Can go to transparency. Okay, come to transparency and then lower the transparency of that stuff, right? You can see that it look nice. Okay, something like this. Okay, so that it will look, add more kind of like texture to the work. All right, you have done, guys, we're done. All right, something of this nature. So what do, you can decide to want to download it now. Okay, just click here, you download your work and we're good to go. You can leave it the PNG. All right, leave it the PNG and click on download and we are good to go. You can use PNG, you can use a JPEG. All right, so guys, it's very easy to design, very easy. And with Canva Pro and with your Canva Pro account, you are good to go. If you like what we have done here so far, okay, quickly click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, right? And then make sure you share it. Or if you have any comment, please drop it. Meet with us. We're going to show you how to do. And if you want to sell Canva Pro accounts, okay, please let me know. I'll help you to see how you can sell Canva Pro account. This is 2026. You can be selling a lot of Canva Pro accounts for yourself and make good money for yourself. People are looking for Canva Pro accounts. So if you want to know how to sell it, come around. I will show you how to get it for free, and then you start selling to other people and make money. Okay, you can make like 20,000, 30,000 every week. All right. God bless. I see you in the next class. Bye for now. The time case out.